Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. Basically, we are doing a series whereby I show you different type of passing chord, different types of licks that you can use. So on today's lesson, we are in the key of F. So in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, and 1. Basically the same as the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, in the key of F. Okay, so like I said before, I'm going to show you the lick that I just did. Then I'm going to break it down. Then I will apply it in a local song that we are conversant with. Okay, then we will call it a day. So with that being said, I want to also say thank you for all of you that are supporting the channel, sharing my videos. God bless you so much. And let's dive into today's lesson. Okay, so let's go. I was doing this. So what am I doing? So basically what I did here is the same thing that I did here, just that I was doing it up a higher octave. So with that being said, let's check what I'm doing. So basically let's check the chord first. The chord, I'm doing this. Alright, so the left hand is having the G, it's having the D, then it's having the F. Alright, most of you were asking that I should use two fast notation, okay, otherwise known as the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So with that being said, let me show you the chord I'm holding down. I'm having the re, the la, and the do. So re, la, do. Alright, then the second chord I'm doing this. Alright, so what is that? I'm holding the C, I'm holding the G, I'm holding the B flat like this. So that one to the so fast notation, I'm holding the so, I'm holding the re, then the B flat. Alright, then this is the last chord that I did, this one. Yes, this is a jazz chord, okay, a very nice one at that. So basically this is the 6th chord. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm holding the C, I'm holding the E, I'm holding the F, then I'm holding the A. Alright, in other words, so fast notation is the so, the T, the do, and the mi. So in all, we have 3 chords at hand. We have this, then, alright. Then let's check the right hand side, okay. I'm doing this. Alright, that's the first movement. I'm doing the A, C, A and B flat, okay, otherwise known as the mi, so, mi, fa, okay. Then we are doing this, okay. So what is that? I'm doing the D, the F, the A, the C, the B, and B flat, okay. Then let me use the so fast notation for that one too. The so fast notation for that one is, so that is la, do, mi, so, fi, fa. Okay, so one more time. Then we do this. Okay. What is that? That is the G, F sharp, F, and E. But at some point you added the C, okay? But that's optional. You can choose to do that or you can just leave it, okay? So like that. So G, F sharp, F, and E, okay? So one more time. One more time slowly. Okay, so let's join both hands. It looks like I'm using sustain, but mind you, I'm not even using sustain, okay? Sound nice, okay? So when you have sustain, that's when you can really flip. But today I'm not having my sustain, so I'm using it a cappella, okay? Alright. So let's check a song application. So let me do it one more time slowly. So let's pick a song, then let's use it, okay? I hope you got that song, okay? So we are applying it in a song like this. Mean to me, mean da wasi. Mean to me, mean da wasi. So basically, this is a popular song that all Ghanaian people they know, okay? Regardless of wherever you are, even if you don't know the song, basically where I'm going to apply it, you could basically use and inculcate in whatever song that you're playing, whether it's English song or fancy song, okay? In that case, I will try as much as possible to add an English song so that you see that it's basically the same thing, okay? So let's go one more time. So mean to me, the chord progression is the 2 to the 5 to the 3 to the 6 to the 2. So one more time, let's go. Mean to me, me da wasi. Mean to me, me da wasi. Let's check how to apply it, okay? When they are ending a song, you can basically use it, okay? I have no other girl but you. So basically, wherever you use this particular song, you will be okay, whether it's English song, whether it's chi song, fancy, ewe, name it, wherever you place this particular chord. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you in another video. Bye.